So here we are at the main screen again. We're going to pattern and pick a shape, and we might pick maybe we'll pick the star, and we'll put maybe we want 15 stars maybe. So let's do 15 and we'll go set. Not enough for 8, maximum 8. We'll just make them a little bit smaller, perhaps they're a bit big. Oh, still not. One less, 14. There we go. So we've got lots of stars there. You can actually go in and we've got a couple of options. This will put different shapes in together. You can play with it, process it. You can see it's moved the stars around to give you a maximum amount of usage of your cardstock. That one will do very similar. You can see it's moved them a little differently. It's moved them more. I'll just go back to this one. These ones are more kept them in line. You can see all the lines. They're all lined up the straight. This one's turned them all different ways just to see. You can see some of us moved around a little bit. And then you can do this way, which I usually find, unless it's lots of different shapes, these two are very similar. I don't see too much difference. But you might get another star on here with that one. Let's have a little go. I'll go in here, and let's see if we can add 2. There's one. Just go OK and move that one around. And so we want to get that one. You can see that one's not quite lined up and it's sitting over here a little bit. Let's have a little go with this again. And we'll try this one. No, it's not going to do it. Not enough size. No, not enough size for the third one. So we'll go back and we'll go back into this one. And we've got a problem with that particular one there. So we'll just delete it. You can see these all fit. You can move that red square, which is the highlighted object that you can work with. So just say you want to delete that one, you could select that one. If you want to select them all, you can go in here and you can go and choose those. And just say you wanted to delete some, too many. You could or deselect a number of them. Go OK. Everything in red that's highlighted in red, if you wanted to hit delete, it will delete those. I'll just go OK. You can see that there's only these ones left, and you can still go back in and maximise the use of your paper. And there they are up the top of the paper. So if you had A4 paper, you could pop them onto A4. Okay.